Hello and welcome, everyone. I'm Nigel Lockyer. I'm the director of Fermilab. I'm delighted that you are joining us for our virtual open house. Our employees and collaborators love to share their excitement and enthusiasm for science with the public. We again have for you an exciting program of games, entertainment, lab tours, and science demos. Part of our mission at Fermilab is to inspire future generations to pursue paths in science, technology, engineering, and math. Through career fairs, virtual tours, YouTube videos, and many other programs and activities, our scientists, engineers, and staff actively engage with people from different communities and backgrounds from all around the world. We are proud that every year we reach millions of people through our online programs and offerings. You may already have heard about neutrinos, particle accelerators, and the tools we develop to explore nature at the quantum level. Or this might be the first time you hear about these things. Whatever the case may be, if you are curious about the mysteries of the universe and the technologies that scientists and engineers come up with to make the next big discovery, this virtual open house will have something for you. Think of it as a science sampler. Try things, discover things, find out what excites you. I hope you will enjoy the many things that my colleagues have lined up for you to explore, and I hope you come back for more. In particular, I invite you to follow us on our social media channels to stay in touch and learn about future programs, activities, and discoveries. Before we start, I'd like to hand over to Rick Verhagen, who will welcome you on behalf of the U.S. Department of Energy.
Thank you, Nigel. Greetings and a warm welcome, everyone. I'm Rick Verhagen, the Department of Energy's manager of the Fermilab site office. In my role, I serve as a primary connection between Fermilab and the DOE's Office of Science. Fermilab is one of the 17 Department of Energy national laboratories. Our mission is to drive discovery in particle physics and related fields. So whether it's neutrinos, dark matter, or quantum computing, you'll find cutting-edge research taking place at Fermilab every day. My education is both in mathematics and engineering. This led to a career that has taken me from the Navy, where I served as an electronics technician and submarine officer, to a small agency in the federal government performing oversight of nuclear safety, to the National Nuclear Security Administration, responsible for enhancing national security through the military application of nuclear science. And now I'm here at Fermilab, studying the mysteries of the universe. Each of these jobs have been exciting and rewarding, and every step along the way shared a common thread: my curiosity to learn new things and my interest in science and technology. I hope you have that same type of curiosity and interest. And who knows where curiosity will lead you. One day you could be here working at this laboratory. I'm certainly excited to be here. So welcome to Fermilab. Thanks for joining us for our virtual open house, and I invite you all to stay curious.